Hi, Northeast students. This is going to be a quick informational guide on how you can split your screen to have Zoom on one side and your Blend course and anything else you're working on in the left side. So the first step, of course, is to go to your teacher's Blend homepage where you're going to find a button for their Zoom link. Once you click on that button, it'll open Zoom. And once you join, you should see something that looks similar to this. The first step is, if you haven't done so already, you want to minimize your zoom. Any of the windows that you pin to the side are going to need to be smaller. So you're going to click the double windows and make that side smaller. The same for your Blend page. So if your Blend is taking up the whole window like this, you need to minimize it using the two squares over here and put them smaller. Then what you're going to do is click and drag to the opposite ends. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Google Chrome browser and I'm going to push it all the way over on my left-hand side until I see this outline on my screen, and you can see the shadow there, and then I'm going to release it. And then my computer, because it's not a Chromebook, asks me which window I want to pin on the other side. Yours isn't going to do that, so I'm just going to pretend like I have a Chromebook here. Now I want to take my other window and I'm going to repeat that. So I'm going to push and hold on my Zoom window, and I'm going to drag it all the way over to the right side until I see that square, and then I'm going to release, and it will pin it on either side. And then I can work from the left and from the right. So if I needed to do my discussion board here for my English class, I can do all of that here while I can still see the Zoom chat and hear my teacher and all of that good stuff. So one more time, I'm going to show you how we did that. We started with bigger windows like this, which we minimized in the right corner. We did the same thing. We minimized our other window until we had them both kind of floating around on our screen. And then we pushed and held down to drag one window all the way to the right and released it. And then we grabbed our other window and we pushed and held all the way to the left, and then we released that. Hopefully this helps you navigate your Chromebook a little bit better and be able to see all the content that your teachers have for you.